Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Silverado 2500. Stock number is A8000. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. And then we're going to take a look underneath at the lift kit here. You have running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Center console folds up and becomes an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.